Hey there, how's it going? Kimberly here with AskSpot, and for this video, I will help you create a canvas for your brick and mortar clients who are experts on their fields but struggle to bring that expertise online. So we will be building the perfect solution for them with this, which is a local content hub powered by AskSpot Canvas. And we will show you how to set this up for a client. Let's just call them Ridgeway hardware store for this specific use case, and it will help them become the go-to online resource for the local community and drive more customers through their doors using our AskSpot Canvas to help them with their content creation and also to eliminate writer's block. Okay, so let's get started. First, click on businesses and then click inside one of your business and click the create button. And then let's click on Canvas. For this, let's name it hardware content hub. And then let's click on create. Okay, now that it's been created, let's go inside our canvas and start editing. Okay, so first things first is to customize the general look of the canvas. So this, we will be editing the header section. And for the logo, I will just use the hardware's logo. But if you want, you can also customize this to your agencies, or if you're a consultant, you can customize the header options to your offerings. So this, let's crop and add this logo for the hardware store. Next, let's enter the title. Let me just get this, put that right there. And then for the call to action, maybe we can add their location link. So visit our store. And once they click on it, they'll be redirected to the link for that. Then let's add some custom links right here. Let's add up to 5 custom links. Maybe let's do one for seasonal sales. Then enter the relevant URL there. Let's add DIY tips. And then the relevant URL can be garden calendar. And then maybe a contact us button. And save changes. Okay, so we've customized our header part. Now let's go ahead to our chat. We'll enable the image generation for this chatbot. You can see here, for generating your organization must be verified. So to your OpenAI platform and click on verify organization. So if you just verified, it can take up to 15 minutes for access to propagate. So make sure to verify your organization on the OpenAI platform. Let's also enable the voice input for this. Okay, next is for the headline. Let's enter this. And for the initial welcome message, let's just say need a post, project guide, or a promo image. Just type it in and let's start to create. As for the branding, this can be your own branding, or you can just enable or remove this from the view if you want. So let's just remove this for now. And for the customization, this is where we can select the themes and how our colors look like for this canvas. So I will be asking help from ChatGPT to help me create a custom theme for this specific canvas, since I'm not very good at the mixing the theme colors. So let's do that right now. Take a screenshot of this and send it over to our AI helper. Okay, so now I will just copy these hex codes and move it over to our canvas. So let's just name this. There you go. And for the nav bar, let's get this. For the text color, let's get this. The message background color. See how easy it is. I don't think that looks great. Let's just see. Message text color. Yep, it's the same. So let me just change that a little bit. And then the button background color. With this button text color is light cream. Just copy and pasting here. Branding, background color. I don't think we need to enter this since we did not enable the background, but let's do it just for demo purposes. Okay, so those have been added. Now let's create a theme and select it for this canvas. Okay, so that looks a bit better. Now let's save changes. Next thing is we need to update our AI configuration, wherein the system prompt is a very important part when it comes to creating your canvas. You're basically telling the AI what its goals are and how it can help the user of this canvas. As you can see here, I made it very specific. You are the helpful expert from Ridgeway Hardware and Home. Your goal is to create practical, easy to understand content for our local DIY gardening community. So your tone is knowledgeable, trustworthy, and then let's add the street address right here. There you go. I also advise what kind of emojis it can use. And then for the AI platform, let's use OpenAI for that. Turbo is okay. Maybe let's change this to 4.0. There you go. So, well, since we wanted to be very fast in generating content and also be cost efficient. And as for the accuracy and creativity balance, let's keep this to normal. Next step is to add our sources. Your AI, a true local expert, you can upload maybe some product categories for this use case, maybe seasonal inventory info or past newsletters or content. So just example of successful contents before or helpful tips that has been shared before, or maybe a local document. So outlining common challenges that the community is having. So for now, let me upload the file. There you go. Regarding this business, so you have multiple options here to upload your sources. You can upload a file, a web page, or if they have a website, a Q&A, frequently asked questions. You can just copy and paste the text right here and add it. Or you can even connect a Google Sheet and a Google Doc for live integration of data. So that our resource has been processed. Let's move to channels. For here, we can add multiple channels, but for this sample, I will be using the question channel. What should we post this week? Something like that. And then I would leave this empty since I want AI to generate a response. And then let's add another one. Content ideas for Instagram. Maybe another one for newsletter generator and create, and let's save changes. So now let's take a look at how our canvas looks like. Copy the canvas link and let's open it. Okay, so this is how it looks like right now. The channels that we just recently added. Okay, so now we will start testing the canvas we created. So I just changed the theme a little bit, and I changed the background text to be black so that we can see it just fine. For the tools, I will be using Canvas for this. Now it's generating the result through the Canvas editor. Now what I will do is copy this and save it over to our Google Sheet. So let's do another test for this canvas. Let me just do a reset. Let's ask it to draft a project of the week section for the newsletter. Let's use the canvas tool again for that. Okay, so now it's generating the canvas section for us Now from here, we can start editing this or even download it to our device. So let's do just one more test for this, which will be using the image generation. So create a clean professional image of our new cordless drill set on a wooden workbench. So let's wait for it to generate the image for us. So this is what it came up with, and it looks pretty great. Let's just quickly download this, and we can now use this image for our social media post. Once we're done testing this, we can now share it with others and go back to your AskSpot profile, click on share, and this is where you can get the embed code for your Canvas or just the direct to Canvas link. You can also manage the chats or see the chats that the Canvas is getting right here. You can even share it with others. So you can give access just to the chats page only. You can view the analytics of your Canvas right here. So that's it. That's how easy it is to build this local content for a brick and mortar client. So try this on your own because it helps your position you as an agency or an AI consultant as a powerful bridge between their physical store and their digital presence. Go ahead and try this on your own AskSpot account. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support at askspot.ai. Thank you so much.